Good day, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about the formalism approach. So, what is formalism approach? So, formalism regards literature as a unique form of human knowledge that needs to examine on its own terms all the elements necessary for understanding the work are contained within the work itself. Of particular interest to the formalist critique are the elements of form, style, structure, tone, imagery, etc., that are found within the text. So, formalism is a way of understanding literature. It says that a piece of writing should be looked at by itself. Everything you need to understand it is in the writing itself. Things like style, structures, tone, and imagery are very important. In other words, when using formalism, you focus on how the writing is made, not on things outside the writing like the author, life, or the time it was written. Formalism, it focuses on form, the overall design or shape of a literary work. Form, kuan siya, the shape of the story or poem, think of it like the overall picture. Next, the structure. Structure is how the plot, sentence, and paragraphs are organized. Or structures is kaning how the story is put together, is like the order of events or how the sentence are written. What happens to the first, second, next, and last. Next, the tone. Tone is the author's attitude toward the subject or audience. So tone, how the writer feels when writing the story. It could be happy, sad, or anything else. Next, imagery. Use of descriptive language to create sensory experience. So, imagery is like painting a picture with words. It helps you imagine how things look, sound, smell, taste, or feel. For example, the sun was hot. It's also include diction. Diction is a choice and use of words and phrases in speech or writing. So, diction, it's a words that writer chooses to use. Are they simple or fancy? Do they sound formal or informal? That's diction. So, symbolism, the use of objects, people, or ideas to represent something else. So, symbolism, when something stands for something else, like a dove might stand for peace, or a red rose might stand for love. That's symbolism.
Application of formalism in different genres. Poetry. Poetry focuses on analyzing rhyme schemes, meter, stanza structure, and use of figurative language. Poetry is looking at how poems are put together, like how the words rhyme, how many beats each line has, and how the poem is divided into parts. Second, fiction. Fiction are novels and short stories. Fiction focuses on analyzing plot structure, narrative techniques, character development, and point of view. Fiction looking at how the story is set up, like what happened first, next, and last, how the story is told, and how the people in the story change. Drama. Drama focuses analyzing dialogue, stage direction, dramatic structure, and character interactions. Drama looking at what the characters say, what the directions for the actors say, how the play is set up, and how the character act around each other. Essay. Essay focus analyzing rhetorical devices, argumentation techniques, and organizational structure. Essays looking at how writer tries to convince you of something, how they make their points, and how the essay is organized. Next, film. Film focuses analyzing cinematography, editing, and mise-en-scene, and narrative structure. Film looking at how the movies is filmed, how the scenes are put together, what's in the background, and how the story is told.